Hi guys, good morning. This is your Prakash. How are you all? And today we are going to discuss about a good stamina. How to make our body in good condition, fit and with good stamina. This is the topic of the day. For that I have some recipes which is really going to work out for your body stamina. The recipe which I am going to give to you, you can follow this recipe weekly 2 days, any 2 days, not daily, maybe Wednesday and Saturday, like that, 3 days once, like that. You can try this recipe. This recipe will be a great workout for the growing childrens, especially from 12 years to 19, 20 years. For their body fit, stamina, body growth, for that age, this recipe will be work out very effectively. And more than 20 years, above 40 to 60, 65, 70 years, those who are have a body pain, leg pain, back pain, joint pain, whatever pain do you have in your body, because of the calcium your bones are getting weak, and your body will not support to handle your body weight. Because of that only the leg pain is coming. So if you going to take this recipe, it will help you to reduce your bad cholesterol also and your belly fat also. But you have to follow at least for 6 months, weekly 2 days. That is very 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 most important thing. If it is teenage or the old age, it is not a problem, but we have to follow the recipe. That is very very most important. Now I can explain you what are the ingredients uh, we are going to use for this recipe. This is very simple recipe. You can do it in your home itself. No need to buy anything from shop. Only you need only you have to buy only one fruit, that is kiwi. You buy only kiwi fruit from the shop, and the remaining items I think you have in your home. Now I am explain the ingredients. First one is kiwi, and the second one is curd, and third one is honey, and the fourth one is chia seed. Only the four ingredients which is going to use to make this wonderful recipe. I already explained you about the chia seeds in my previous video. I hope you all watched that video. If you don't watch, kindly check my previous video. In that video, I will explain clearly about the chia seed and what are the benefits you are getting from chia seed, and what are the health benefits in the chia seeds. Everything I will prescribe clearly in my previous video. So if you have no idea about the chia seed, kindly check my previous video. It will help you to get the knowledge about the chia seeds. Now I will explain how to make this recipe with the kiwi fruit. Wash a kiwi fruit, peel the skin of the kiwi and cut into 5 or 6 pieces. Put it in the mixer and put the 1 cup of curd, and finally add the honey Only the three items you are going to mix with the mixer. Once it will be mixed well, just remove it. Take a half teaspoon of chia seed, put at the top of the this juice and keep it for 15 minutes until the chia seed will mix with all the ingredients. Once it will mix for 10 to 15 minutes, after that you can take at any time. There is no rules and regulation to have this drink, whether it is should be drink at empty stomach or whatever it is. You can take at any time. But one small suggestion, before you take this one, don't drink any coffee or tea. If you, for example, if you take at evening time, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, like that, that day you plan to drink this drink, avoid the coffee and the tea. Only this is the procedure for this. If you take at morning time, avoid the coffee and tea. Instead of coffee and tea, take this one. So only this four items you are going to mix in a mixer and take it for weekly 2 days per week. Then you see the magic what is going to happen to your body. If you are a workout, you are going to gym, you are exercise doing, you are a player, you are a whatever it is. It will give you a good stamina to growing children's, and for the aged peoples it will helps to improve your bone strength, and you can get relief from some body pains also, joint pains, whatever it is. So kindly try this method and tell me your comments in the comment box. I'm eagerly waiting to hear from you all, and if you want to know about more videos regarding other kinds of seeds or pulses or whatever things, please comment in the description box, in the comment box. I will make a video regarding that, and it should be very useful for everyone. Hope this video is very useful for every person. Try it and tell your suggestion. Thank you so much. Have a good day.